Welcome to the BEEVisio training. Step. Will do. The next step we can do is to ensure the shelf is at the right height. We'll on the back, select the pipes. I can now select them using Alt, and with the Shift key I can select both and I can simply drag them upwards. I'll also drag them slightly over my cross pipes so that I have a rough idea of the height. I can also enter the value straight away. I can now also, that's here, enter 1230 so that I have an even measurement. I'll set the same length here at the front too. 1230, I've entered a length of 1230. Good. Now I'm going to adjust the top frame by going over the joints. I'm just doing a 1 there, a cross 1. I'll place this up here on the outer surface. Now, as I do this, it's turned inward. Placed, switch off the rotary ball. I'll place the straight joints here at the back. It's turned inwards. Switch on the rotary ball, select the axis, press the star key, and pan using the left mouse button. Turn off the rotary ball, drag a pipe in. Right-click on the length modification point, then select the corresponding magnetic point with the left mouse button. I'm selecting the outer surface of the connector. I can see the dimension, 1230, is an even number. Looks good. I think I'll save the file again. I'll now either select the joints here via the structure tree, or I can select everything using the Shift key. I can select each individual item here, or I can select items within the scene itself. Turn that into an assembly, right, and now there are even more options. I can also design the same thing using this. Joints, joints, pull the pipe in. But I can also crossbar over here. There are several options. I've now selected an axis along which the movement is horizontal. I could just say, I'll copy it over. I know the axis to axis distance is 1,000 millimeters, but if I don't know the measurement, I can also do that using a function by pressing the Shift key. Select the center point, right-click, and drag it over until I snap to my vertical pipe somewhere. It doesn't matter where I place it. Once I've snapped to it, I let go of everything. Select Copy. Set the distance to 1,000 millimeters, and I've placed the rod over here. Switch the rotary ball off again. Right. The structure looks almost finished now. Next, I'll be fitting the end caps and some diagonal braces. But first, I'll fit the end caps. The pipes come with end caps as well. I don't necessarily need to get them from the plastic catalog. But I could do that if I decide I don't want to have to change the pipes every time. Here we have the gap 4, B or BE, electrically conductive, or a gray one. I can see there too that it's fitted neatly. It's settled in nicely. Thank you for watching and see you in the next BEEVisio training.